Yep. Press space bar when you finish. I'm not finished. Nope. That was an accident. Just to show you guys I'm not a smart person. Will this let me back? I assume not. Why would you put an end early game into your game? Ha! Why would you even do that? It's like the don't press the button and the streamer merges immediately to accidentally press the button. I'm not mad. I'm not gonna like lie to you guys. Even though it said end the game, why would you put a button into your game that ends the game early? What is up, nerds? How you doing on this lovely Saturday? Hope you are having a great weekend. Hope it started or going well for you. Or I guess went if you're on the or eastern part of the globe to me. Because then it is kind of late evening for you, right? Right. Ah. So welcome back to Usagi Jam. Jam still going? I mean, I guess not still going because there's like no rating. But I still want to look into... Oops. A few more games. There we go. No, better. Because we're gonna like maximize this edge. Jams joined. Usagi Jam. Submissions. And randomize it a bit. And let's play cool games. Lunar Lift. Daya, welcome. 30 free tickets, let's go. A dojo map made for Usagi Jam. To switch to mouse controls, click a button. I'm not sure what this is. And to enable, I cannot read this font, guys. What is this? To enable endless mode, press button 3, maybe. Quick note: do not make do not make a participate in a game jam if you have been. This is little bit of language barrier. I'm not moving? Okay, now I'm moving. Cannot move up and down? Cannot seem to shoot? So we have music, so let's mute this for a bit. I just pressed left and now it is stuck there. What is going on? Huh? Something weird is happening here with the controls. I'm not sure what they used, but it is very weird. So voice does nothing. Arrow keys do nothing. What is... I cannot understand, guys, the controls here. What? My controls are okay, it's the game who is not wanting to respond. Stick does nothing. D-pad does nothing. Ah. Let's see if I can, like, play with the mouse, maybe? They said there is, like, some kind of mouse controls. Click button to X. Okay. But this also doesn't work all the time. What is going on here? It's like the spaceship is lagging very behind the cursor. I'm like so confused, I'm not gonna lie to you. The screen wrap doesn't help. Moon? Okay, so we made it. Press C to start endless mode and I died. Oh, I haven't been this confused in a long while. Why is it doing this loop thing? Is it like giving it so much momentum that it loops through the cursor and now it wants to go towards it again? Where did those bullets come from? I'm so confused. Let's go lie. The controls very much confuse me. Description said press something to switch to mouse, which indicates that there is another control scheme, but nothing seems to work. And the mouse dragging the spaceship felt a bit weird on because had a lot of dead zone before started to move. Then it yeeted toward against the cursor that it starts to wrap around the screen due to momentum, launching it through this side and wrapping it. Not sure if that is a Firefox issue or intended. The second, I would turn the dead zone way down so it is always responding to the mouse even if just a little bit. Otherwise, the game idea is interesting. Interesting. Plenty to dodge. And we got a game loop with some SFX and music. So in that department, the game is solid. One other thing that confused is that it said press C to start unless once you reach the moon, but when I did, I just died. Let's put it up here. Party simple, but cool. Well done. I'm just confused by this control scheme. I think if it was way more responsive, it would be more fun. But I was very confused. Moon Mouse, help a mouse collect the finest lunar cheese. This is the Sokobon, like the games I make, like Druid Dash and such. I'm looking forward to this. Mouse has traveled to the moon in search of the finest cheese in the universe. I like how everyone, not everyone, but like the fifth or sixth game that is moon equals cheese. Honestly, we could have went with the Vampires Werewolf team that we talked about with Fletch. I haven't seen a Vampires Werewolf game yet. Moon Mouse, a game by Quips. Okay, so we have the same sliding movement, so I just press it once and you go until you hit a wall. Let me put some music. Maybe some Tuesday. No? There we go. Learning the small things. We have some blocks to dodge. Oops. Too early. Oh, we have doors and keys. Let's go. Well, that was a very harsh sound. Settings. Ba-pum, ba-pum. Ooh. What? Jesus, it is still so loud. I can go maybe one higher. Guys, what is this sound balance, please? Why is one sound effect 10 times louder than the other? Why? There we go. Oh. Restart has all doors unlocked. Okay, I guess. Oh, we have tiles that move you. Let's go. Here. Let's go. Uh... Too early, okay. Oh, and I have to restart. No. Okay. So one thing we learned from this game is sound balance is important. Always make sure that your sound effects are roughly the same volume. That is so loud still. I just see the volume meter spike on the OBS every time I pick something up. There we go. Hey, how did I miss that cheese? Hello? What? What? What is this? I lost my cheese. I was just right. Every other cheese is picked up. What is happening? What is going on? Arr. This way, right? Well, now I cannot go back, right? Yeah. So I guess I should have went down or up and down. Is it a timing puzzle? Easy. Off. Fudgesicles. What? Where is the pattern in this? I don't see it. Ah, there it was. I'm safe here, right? Yes, except the two. Except those two, yes. Off. I hate that map. Everyone who has been to the stream at least once knows that I have like no time sense of rhythm or like time or whatever. The representation is really cute. I'm loving what we see. I'm loving mostly what we hear. I just would love not to go deaf by hearing it. That is my only complaint. But I guess it wouldn't be a jam without me going deaf, right? I feel like that is part of game jamming at this point. Ah! Okay. Yet again, the exploding keys. Exploding my eardrums. Oh, fudgesicles. And I have one more life. Let's go. This way. The fact that we have a life system is rough. And that it starts you at the very beginning. Ah, time to throw away my own life. I still don't understand the pattern where I could go. There it was. Ba ba ba. Oh, I could have synced up these two, by the way, with the key. How I open the door. You see now the other two are mostly synced. Okay. Back to here. Off. Okay. Now we watch the two blue spikes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ah! I died at the final level like 4 times. What the hell? It was the very last level. You know what would have been really cool here? Hold on, who is the dev? Because we talked about this game on Discord, I'm pretty sure. So dev, I forgot your name. Wait, we can check. Magitech Angel? What would have been really cool here, if you really want to be like snazzy and all, if I wouldn't have to press A to play here, just press right to grab all this cheese, enter this, so this is like level 0, grab all the cheese, enter the door, and then I go to left first level. Like that would teach you your player how to play that game. You just press right to play or something like that. It's just such a cool interactive menu. Because I'm pretty sure we don't do that, right? Yeah. It would be such an easy job as well. And it would help the game feel immensely. Ba-ba-bow. I was very hyped to try this one out. I really enjoy these kind of puzzle games. Did a few myself, and it did not disappoint. Levels were cool. Introduced new mechanics in a simple way, then threw them into more complicated solutions to ease the player into harder levels. Graphically and SFX wise, the game looks and sounds cool. That said, next time make sure your sound effects are at the same bass volume as the explosions felt and pretty sure are more loud than everything else in the game. One snazzy way to give a little more oomph to your menu screen, if you like to, is to make it basically level 0 and instead telling the player thank you, you press A, tell them to the right and the mouse would slide into the steps, picking up the cheese and starting level 1. They say you can instantly establish a base team and have a cool interactive menu at the same time. If you would like to. Up. I go. Hold on, I forgot. This is just a tip. Yeah. Overall, pretty cool. Pretty amazing. Overall, amazing game with an evil last level. Up. Human? No. I am a generative AI. Imagine. Protect the Earth. Did we play this? I think I just opened this, right? Hope not. Yeah, I'm generating stuff, but that is not AI. That's just bullshit. I guess it's the same then. My input is caffeine, my output is stupid games with no AI code in them. What is this? A font for ant? See you at the game. I hope you have fun. Oh, we have like one of those emojis. Actually, there is like a name for them, but I forgot what is like the official name for them. You are a moon, the magnificent being that's totally not made of cheese. Totally not made out of cheese. Wow. Sorry, a little drinky time. I'm now sorry for Fletch on funneling us into the moon equals cheese team. Arrow keys on the keyboard. Oh my god, please hope you have used the mapping and not it is actual arrow keys. Guys, why are you using arrow keys? It is the actual arrow keys. Control R to restart. Why not a button? That just reloads the page. It is the arrow keys. Guys, girls, non-binary pause. Left. Usagi has this super neat thing. What is it? Where you can use input pressed left, right, up, down, and button 1, 2, 3, which maps into everything you want. You don't have to use E left. You use left and it goes arrow key, it goes A, it goes D-pad, it goes stick left. We have this amazing wrapper for Usagi. Why am I stumbling into more and more games that are not using it? And then I have to force load the whole screen. Yep, thank you. Control R. Why use Control R when in the browser? Control R reloads the page. Questionable. Oh, why am I not moving now? Oh, game over, I guess. Sure. You guys have to watch this in a small window because I cannot enlarge this. Then I don't have enough time. I swear to God. I mean, the idea is cool. We have a few games like this. Not sure if on the Gem, but I played plenty games with like this idea. It is like a cool idea. Also, it uses music. Please don't be like copyrighted music. You cannot read this. Where did you get your music from, please? Cannot believe I have to reload the page every time. That was not thought through. I'm not sure how. I'm not thinking about the web build. Why are we doing this to Mr. Singer and everyone who tries to play our game? I'm not gonna reach that, yep. Okay. Little tip for next time. Usagi has a wrapper above all controls where you can just do I think it is input left, right? That is how it actually works. Quick check in gram. I cannot believe it is like not the first game with this problem. Like, why? Give the Usagi won't protect. Not waves. Should not be using this function. There is a cool wrapper above everything. Why are we using this? There is a function just for this. Ha! Input pressed. Input, yes. There we go. I need the input, yes. Input. Dot left. Can I link this? Is this linkable? There you go. RTC. Where you can use those and bound and let the player use either voiced arrows, D-pad, joystick on any control of their choice. Also, I would love a restart button that is not control those or as that loads the page in itself. Otherwise need graphics, cute sounds, and a good scroll chaser idea you have here. Well done. I did get the final little Twitch flower. Let's go. Why are you doing, Curb? Hope you're having a lovely weekend. I'm yet again ranting about people not using the input mapping. We have such a cool input mapping. Why not use this? Why? Itch! Let me command! You can't. Testing Moon. We play. Yeah, this is a maze game. So, Grave Crusade. Find and kill the Lich. Oh. Oh, look who is here. 4 hours ago. Mouse to move sword. Press left click to swing. Hold right click to block. Oh, you have to get a mouse game. Okay, I'm gonna... Ah. Now what the hell is going on? Okay, so this is my stamina bar, it looks like. Oh! What? How? How was that supposed to work? With my 1 stamina against 3. Oh, can I always just block? Does it not cost any stamina? Oh, okay. That's interesting then, because I can just... Why did you split again? Why did my HP go down? I'm holding my sword here. Someone is loading. That's gonna be harsh. Okay. Oof. And this is the first game where, other than the moon being in the background, I don't see the team. It's not a bad idea though. And the pixel art is chunky. I like the chunky pixel art. Oh, I misclicked somehow? Oh! New phone, who's this? Oh, I misclicked. So, is my... Not sure how exactly... Misclicked. Reading in a moment curve, I see you're typing. What? Hello? Okay, I guess I got hit 3 times because... Not sure why. Yeah, I don't fully understand where I need to place for each mob my block, and like having 4 of them on the screen doesn't really help it then. Honestly, loading bars should not be here because multiple enemies can obstruct each other's loading bar. It should be up above their head. Oh, I feel like this might be the Lich. Looks kinda Lich-like. If I were a Lich, I would look like this. Oh, a fucking knight. Lich first, then I think one of the knights was loading, yes. Lovely, 2 of the knights are loading. Now I don't know who is loading because they are behind each other, lovely. This is what I was talking about. Yep. I died. I'm contemplating my last choices while I learned that I can just do Kotlin JS for web export from engine because some web bullshit. What do you mean some web bullshit? I have to take my own wrapper around Kotlin Wasm thingy that's currently in beta and might not even work. Is there like no Kotlin to Wasm? This is not beta, that would be weird. Also learned that Usagi has your Lua code in plain text, just send one giant .usagi file. Isn't that one of the export options? Like, that is generated similarly to like how Koei.p8 is basically just a text file. I haven't opened one yet, I just assumed it is the quote-unquote code file. That is the web export? Wait, what? Isn't the web export some HTML bullshit? GameDev, Usagi. Because I see a .usagi file, but is that what is inside the web spec? Oh, I haven't opened it yet. And I assume this Usagi file, if I just drag it into Gram. If I just drag it into Gram. I mean, it is a bit weird in Gram, but it is, yes, a big... Holy fuck. It's not fully plain text to me, but it does seem to have most of the code, yes. Interesting. We learned something. I did not know it was putting the code like that, I guess. That's good to know, thank you. Cool concept. The combat. I just feel it might not be fully clear where your swords needs to be to block attacks. Another thing that enemies overlap each other's attack bar, and you get aid without seeing a bar loading. Throwing them over top of each other be a better choice for clear game visibility. Lovely chunky pixel and interesting game design. Alright. Well done. Boom. Yeah, I was just telling about like someone is here. Am I gonna get captured again? No. This time not. Moon puzzle of a prototype for Usagi Gem. This is what I managed to put together in 10 days on my own. Not much, but it is a game. Let's go. Reach the block at the top to win. And it works. They managed to use the wrapper so I can just play with my controller. Oh. Left, right to move, push. Button 1 to jump. Can I jump on the head of this? Oh no, this is like some kind of bouncy thing. Okay, what is this? There's no reload button from what you've seen here. Push it over there. Not enough. Unbelievable. The collision is not working how I thought it would. Glitch through the floor. They managed to be a competent programmer and not forget one of the main parts of Usagi. I mean, that is a bit harsh of a phrasing, but they did not notice one of the key features of Usagi, yes. I don't understand how this I should be doing, though. But I mean, you just use a different one for one of them. Otherwise, you were using the right ones, right? I'm pretty sure you just used it wrongly for the menu system. But there are others who just ignore the feature altogether. And you can like only play with the arrow keys, for example. I'm pretty sure your games works with... Most of your game works with everything other than menu navigation. Which feels like more of a little oversight than actually not reading the documentation. I don't understand how I'm supposed to get up there. I'm not gonna lie to you. Because this jump is not enough. Did I not click reset? I did. Because you cannot bounce on this thing. I'm super confused here. Like super duper confused. Oh! What is gonna happen if I'm just gonna stand here? Nothing. How is that thing jumping higher than me? Oh, let's go! You have vault! Somehow. Honestly, a physics puzzle would be cool. The overall idea of a physics puzzle is really cool, and I can see why it would be difficult to tackle it fully. Props on putting together small level for us. The jump and I'm not even sure how to like the collision data bit revealed in Firefox. Not sure if standing on yellow was supposed to stop all of it. I guess not standing, jumping onto. Supposed to follow all of it, momentum or not. felt tricky to figure out the proper timing, but managed to do it. Hopefully you will continue this, as I feel like it has a lot of potential. Like, I'm not sure if we are getting yet again web builded or Brett. I'm gonna get like 16 comments about the web building. Whatever. Not a whatever, but like a bit laggy from time to time. They're gonna be busy. Which I don't blame them. I wouldn't try to tackle a web build myself. Tidying up? Tidying up. Oh, tideless like Moontide. Submitted by Toy. Oh, we have puzzle guides. Wow. Explore an alien planet looking for relics from a spaceship crash. A point-and-click game. No, point-and-click game. I don't like point-and-click games. I'm just gonna start with that. Where you move moons to control the tides and other things on the planet. I have no clue what here. Move the camera with washed arrow keys and use the mouse to move the moons. Use the mouse. Brothers. I might be too harsh on that because I'm very much so anti-mouse on Pico 8, because if you're using a handheld, you don't have a mouse, and technically Usagi is like not a mate for handhelds. Like, yeah, use the mouse if you want, but I just much rather like to not combine input methods. Cool pixel art. Oh, that is a lot of dithering on that planet. Whoa. You are investigating a crash on an alien planet. You mysteriously discover that you can magically control the moon here. How will this aid your investigation? Press spacebar. Why not click? Like a click so far on the button. Why are we mixing input buttons? Like navigation buttons. You made me click on the start button. Why do I have to move now my hand onto the keyboard? Whatever. Small rant. Watch door arrows to move camera. Use the mouse to click on the relics and move them to the moon. Move the moon. Tab to view acquired relics. Spacebar. Okay. Camera. A ship. A flag and... Yeah, the flower was a relic. We have a bone and like these spherical looking things. So how does... okay. Oh. This feels like very little space for like 16 relics to hide. There's a new moon in the sky. Okay. Is that one of the relics? Yes. Some kind of... Oh, I can also like move stuff? Okay. What does this moon do? Why is this not... Press spacebar to read the message in the bottle. Hidden beneath... No, spoilers! Hidden beneath stone on the western edge, my gold ye shall own, if moon ye can leverage. Okay. Oh, where did you come from? Where did you go? Another moon here. Also doesn't seem to affect the water. Really? What can this one do? Put this moon over here. Okay, this is not the kind of point and click I thought we are getting. I fear if I put this too low, the water is just gonna cover it and I won't be able to click on it anymore. That is something, I just don't know what. I don't know what this moon does. I cannot do anything with the ship. Sanyo, welcome, welcome, welcome. It is a good one. Just don't understand this one yet. It doesn't seem to do much. Put this moon far away? Maybe it is just like a different tide moon? No. What is this moon? Also, I haven't looked at the flag. That seems like important enough. Yep. I think it was jingling on this one again, right? What are you? Is this also like this thing also feels out of place? Okay, so sometimes the like check is just not checking, I guess. So, oh, there is so many more. What? I still don't understand this one. What is this one? Oh, wait, what? Is it the one that raised the water level? No, it is just raising on its own. Still, this one is the one that is. Yeah, I don't understand this one. So let's try to put this over here. Also, isn't there just like a lot more water? Where is this water going? It's not going higher. I don't get this one. Because we grabbed something here. Oh. Am I like supposed to move these two moons together? Yeah, I kinda don't get this rule yet. But there are sometimes like something over here. Yep. Press spacebar when finished. I'm not finished. Oh. That was an accident. Just to show you guys I'm not a smart person. Will this let me back? I assume not. Why would you put an end early game into your game? Ha! Why would you even do that? It's like the don't press the button and the streamer merges immediately to accidentally press the button. I'm not mad. I'm not gonna like lie to you guys. Even though it said end the game, why would you put a button into your game that ends the game early? It just feels like counterproductive to me. Like, hey, do you want to fuck up 20 minutes of progress for absolutely no reason? Oh wait, that was something... Yeah, this one. Over here. If you have to speedrun, no. But I cannot press now. It's just at that specific point, it said that, hey, do you want to not finish the game? Like, ah! I'm sorry. Not fully. I feel like my rant is valid. I don't remember where the bottle was. The bottle. The bottle of war. How you doing, Lemon? Good to see you. Well, it crashed out. I mean, I'm the one who pressed that button, but... Still. Okay, now we have the funky moon. That you can just randomly place somewhere and to grab something. I still don't understand the rules of this moon. This just feels like a random moon. You just place it on the screen and hope something happens. Hold on. I want to grab this one, thank you. So do I not even need this moon? Yeah, it is just randomly this doing. Place it on every pixel and hope that you get what you want. There was something here though. Do I need this for it? Like we fished up something from here last time, like a little necklace or something it was. There we go. Oh, this one makes the grass disappear here. Okay. Why did now spit out this one though? This game from the gem? Yeah, it is a game from the gem. Yeah, I somewhat understand the green moon. This blue one though seems like random. What? I was here already and did not say this thing. I might have just been blind, but now it's just randomly placed on the screen. No further information. Oh, there's the bottle. Okay. This feature, I cannot tell you guys how mad I am about that feature. There was something on the flag, right? Yes. Now hold on. Wow, that is so sensitive to position. You should press the space. Because I'm pretty sure I have this here already. Just really has to be like in the middle. Wow. Wait, can I dig something up here? Yeah, sure. Okay, so by that rule set, there should be something here as well. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna fucking do it again. Where is my gravity moon? Okay, there is my gravity moon. Oh, wait, leave it here. There we go. And by that logic, my ship should also have something. Oh, come on. Okay, I mean, that is cool, but unexpected. So I mean... Oh, wait, do I need this over it? Am I like doing witchcraft things? Hmm. Okay, no. But this does not have anything, right? We had them... Yeah, yeah. Okay. No, the ship! Ah, put this away. The corner. So my ship comes back. So we dug something here. Interesting, the ship doesn't seem to have anything. So our one rule is discarded. I'm missing one more. I think there is something inside that one, but no. Where is the last thing? There's a bone over here, but I cannot bring this over here, right? Yeah. Is that the green thing that jumps out of the ship? Because if so, that was an accident. And I still haven't figured out. Like, hold on. This one. Is that how you get this one? Or like grabbing it with the magnet moon? I guess somewhat spoilers for those who are not here. Because I don't know how this spawns. I don't understand the rule of this one. It just randomly sometimes appears. Was this we grabbed, right? This was one of the necklaces. Or maybe not. Like a different necklace here that I can grab. No. Hmm. Hmm. Can I pull the water even further away? You can move. Can you move into here? No. Or behind this rock, randomly. Because I scanned this moon with the other moon. Or like this rock with the other moon. I just haven't moved the magnet moon. Because I was like, it uncovers stuff, so it should be uncovering this, but I guess the rule was that you needed a magnet moon. Where's the space bar? Have finished. Nice. I was very confused about the rules. I'm not very confused, but like I might be like approaching this thing in a wrong way because uh because I would think, and I'm like very puzzled brain, so I would think there are rules in place for certain interactions, and those rules are not always true, I guess. Yee! Yippee! Hold on, that is relic 5? No? Oh, okay. So I guess spoilers, guys, but I had to check. Interesting. Huh. So that is how you get the hat. Uh yeah, it was a cool one. Press spacebar to finish before the game being finished is evil. Not gonna lie, and my stupid streamer brain, of course, immediately press. I cannot spell that word. Button. So had to start over. Overall, I really enjoyed the game. I do think some interactions are not fully um what is the word? And things are following the same rules all the time, consistent. Page tripped my rule based brain a bit. And a consistent, yeah, thank you. A chuckle at the end when I gathered all of them. And directions, there we go. I had to get a usual press spacebar, and I'm like, each. Oh, guys, let's find the bosses. Who's that Pokemon? Scapture!